Dad. Dad. Jaden's brother put $500 on one stock, and today he has 1,000.
Did he also mention the time he turned 1,000 into 200? That story exists too. I promise.
No. He skipped that one.
See, the market has made more regular people rich than anything ever. And it's also where people lose money they really needed. The difference? Knowing how the machine works.
Okay, so how does the machine work?
Sit down. A few minutes from now, you'll know more than Jaden's brother.
First problem. I hear the word stock, and my brain just turns off. What is it?
Picture a pizza. A company is one big pizza cut into billions of tiny slices. One slice equals one share. By one, you own a piece of the company.
Wait. I buy one share of Apple, and I own part of Apple? For real?
For real. Apple has about 15 billion slices, so your piece is tiny. But it's not points in a game. It's real ownership.
So I walk into an Apple store like, step aside. As your boss, this iPhone is free.
You'd own 1/15 billionth. Your share of that iPhone is the dust on the screen.
Okay, fine. But why is one tiny slice worth money?
Because owners get a cut of the profits, and a vote on big decisions. When the pizza shop wins, slice owners win.
But wait. If Apple makes so much money, why share it with strangers? I wouldn't share my pizza.
Rewind to day one, a tiny lemonade stand making $50 a summer. You know a beach stand would make 500 more. One problem.
You don't have the money to build it.
Exactly. So, the deal, $200 today, for 20% of my lemonade empire, forever. They help you grow, their slice grows too. That deal is a stock.
And when a big company does that with everyone, that has a cool name, right?
The IPO. The day a company's slices hit the menu for everybody. And yes, they ring a giant bell.
A bell? What is this, recess?
Son. Wall Street loves drama. Never forget it.
So who decides what a share costs? Is there like, a price guy?
Nope. Nobody. A stock costs whatever the last person paid for it. It's one giant auction that never sleeps. You know limited sneakers. Store price, 100. A million kids want 1,000 pairs. What happens?
400. Easy. Marcus paid $450 and cried.
That's the whole market. More buyers than sellers. Price up. More sellers. Price down. That's it. That's the secret.
So, the market is up, just means, a million strangers got excited today?
Excited, scared, greedy, bored, day to day, prices measure feelings. Over years, they measure real profits. Remember that one.
Okay, real talk. How does money get into my pocket?
Way 1, the price goes up. Buy a slice at 50, the shop gets famous, someone offers 80. Sell it. $30, yours.
Nice. What's way 2?
Way 2's my favorite. Some companies share profits with owners. Real cash, 4 times a year, it's called a dividend. You don't sell. You just own, and collect.
They pay you? Just for holding a slice? That's the most grown-up thing I've ever heard.
That's the moment money starts working for you, instead of you working for money. Tattoo that on your brain.
Okay, I've got it. I've cracked it. Buy when it's low. Sell when it's high. Repeat. I'm rich by Friday.
Congratulations. You just invented the same plan every beginner invents on day 1. Want to see where it breaks?
I feel like you're about to ruin Friday.
Nobody, not you, not me, not the pros, can spot the low or the high. It only looks easy afterwards. In the moment. Fog. Scary number time. 20 years. 10,000, left alone, becomes 30,000. Miss the 10 best days. 15,000. Half. 10 days.
How is anyone supposed to know the 10 magic days? They're not labeled.
You can't. The best days hide right next to the worst ones, when everyone's panicking. So the winning move is boring, stay in. Don't outsmart it.
But picking the right company is still a guess, right? What if I pick the next Blockbuster?
You might. So, cheat code. Don't bet on one pizza shop, buy a tiny slice of the 500 biggest companies. All at once.
Is that even legal?
One purchase. It's called an index fund. Some will flop, but the winners pull the basket up. About 10% a year, for 100 years.
10%? Dad. My allowance grows faster when Grandma visits.
Then watch what boring does with time. $100 a month, starting at 18. No picking. No timing. By 65, it becomes
$1 million? From skipping 2 pizzas a week? Who invented this math?
And you only put in 56,000. The rest is a snowball, money, making more money. Basically magic, but legal.
Hold on. If it's this easy, why isn't everyone rich?
The machine tests you. In 2008, the market lost half its value. Panic sellers lost for real. Calm people got it all back, and more.
I would absolutely have panicked. I panic during group projects.
So, 3 rules. 1. Money you'll need soon stays in cash. 2. Never bet everything on one company. 3. When the market drops and your stomach drops, do nothing.
Do nothing. Finally, a strategy that matches my talents.
And hey, this was school, not a shopping list. Learn the machine first. The money can wait. So, what do we tell Jaden's brother?
A stock is a real slice of a real company. The price is just a big auction of feelings. And boring plus patient beats lucky. Every time.
Knowing that at your age, beats 500 lucky bucks at any age.
I'm still telling Jaden his brother is a gambler with good luck and bad math.
Tell him to subscribe first. Next time, inflation, why the money in your pocket quietly shrinks. Bring snacks.